I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather after some sprinkles this afternoon and highs in the mid-30s to the low 40s. Our daytime highs warming slightly to more seasonal levels in the upper 30s to the mid-40s for tomorrow and Thursday. Rain is possible tomorrow through Thursday as an area of low pressure moves east across the southern plains. Higher chances are to the south of I-80 and west of Highway 281. There is a chance of freezing rain from Hayes Center to Imperial, north to Ogallala and North Platte that may cause some slick conditions by Thursday morning. If temperatures cool enough, snow may briefly mix with the rain Thursday morning. Impactful snow accumulations, though, are not expected. High pressure to the west keeps our forecast dry for Friday through Monday. Daytime highs warm from the mid to upper 40s for Friday and Saturday to the upper 40s to the mid 50s for the weekend and Monday. In our long-term forecast, chances are very good for warmer than normal temperatures Sunday through Christmas Day in Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. Below normal precipitation is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas the early half of next week before a trend of near normal to slightly above normal precipitation late next week through Christmas. Key weather factors the markets are watching include precipitation in the western areas of the southern plains, more good rain for Argentina, and hot and dry weather in central Brazil. In the south central U.S., a developing storm produces midweek snow across southern sections of the Rockies and Plains. Disruptively heavy snow accumulations are possible in an area centered on western Oklahoma, northeastern New Mexico, and the northern panhandle of Texas. As precipitation slowly moves eastward, 5-day rainfall could reach 1 to 3 inches from central Texas to the western Gulf Coast. The precipitation is likely to help the remaining areas of drought across Texas and Oklahoma. This weekend, rain and thunderstorms may graze the Gulf Coast states as the storm intensifies. Heavy rain may develop across Florida when the storm drifts northward towards the southern Atlantic coast. Much of the rest of the U.S. experiences a protracted period of mild and dry weather. The exception, some seasonably cool weather from the upper Midwest to New England. Argentina expects several chances of widespread rain through early next week as conditions remain very favorable for the remaining planting and early development of corn and soybeans. Central Brazil's wet season rain becomes more isolated into next week. Below normal rain and heat in central Brazil, increasing the concerns for soybean losses, but heavier rain returns the end of next week and continues through January. Europe stays active with precipitation in most areas the next several days, including drier areas of the south. Wheat in Europe is going dormant in mostly good condition. Drier weather occurs in Europe late this week through the middle of next week before more active weather returns. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.